This classic Appalachian counting rhyme will have young readers counting and recounting their way across the meadow, from turtles to fireflies, from 1 to 10. The title of today's story, Over in the Meadow, illustrated by Ezra Jack Keats. Over in the meadow, in the sand, in the sun, lived an old mother turtle and her little turtle one. "Dig," said the mother. "I dig," said the one. So he dug all day in the sand, in the sun. Over in the meadow, where the stream runs blue, lived an old mother fish and her little fishes too. "Swim," said the mother. "We swim," said the two. So they swam and they leaped where the stream runs blue. Over in the meadow, in a hole in a tree, lived a mother bluebird and her little birdies 3. "Sing," said the mother. "We sing," said the 3. So they sang and were glad in the hole in the tree. Over in the meadow, in the reeds on the shore, lived a mother muskrat and her little ratties 4. "Dive," said the mother. "We dive," said the 4. So they dived and they burrowed in the reeds on the shore. Over in the meadow, in a snug beehive, lived a mother honeybee and her little honeys 5. "Buzz," said the mother. "We buzz," said the 5. So they buzzed and they hummed near the snug beehive. Over in the meadow, in a nest built of sticks, lived a black mother crow and her little crows 6. "Caw," said the mother. "We caw," said the 6. So they cawed and they called in their nest built of sticks. Over in the meadow, where the grass is so even, lived a gay mother cricket and her little crickets 7. "Chirp," said the mother. "We chirp," said the 7. So they chirped cheery notes in the grass, soft and even. Over in the meadow by the old mossy gate lived a brown mother lizard and her little lizards 8. "Bask," said the mother. "We bask," said the 8. So they basked in the sun by the old mossy gate. Over in the meadow where the clear pools shine lived a green mother frog and her little froggies 9. "Croak," said the mother. "We croak," said the 9. So they croaked and they jumped where the clear pools shine. Over in the meadow, in a soft, shady glen, lived a mother firefly and her little flies 10. "Shine," said the mother. "We shine," said the 10. So they shone like stars in the soft, shady glen. Thank you, children. And if you liked our story, please subscribe to our channel